Traditional remedy for asthma, bronchitis, cough and lung diseases. Many people suffer from various diseases or disorders such as asthma, bronchitis and various types of cough. Various allergies, infections or smoking itself may be the main reason for the occurrence of a certain types of lungs diseases or disorders. Remedy for asthma. Fortunately, our grandparents have a great knowledge of natural medicine. In the past, they prepared various home remedies for asthmatic diseases, especially cardiac and bronchial. They know the best remedy for asthma, bronchitis and various types of cough. These remedies have a great healing power. Remedy for asthma, bronchitis, cough and lung diseases. Ingredients: 1 pound, 1/2 kilogram, red organic onions. 1 pound, 1/2 kilogram, brown dark sugar. 6 cups, 5 liters, water. 2 lemons. 2 tablespoons of agave nectar or 7 tablespoons of raw organic honey. Note: use sugar only during the treatment. It can be harmful to your health, but when your health is down, nothing works like sugar. How to prepare? Preheat the sugar in a metal bowl on a moderate temperature, stirring constantly until it melts and gets red color. Then add the onion, chopped into small pieces. Cook it shortly and pour water into the bowl. Boil the mixture until 1/3 of the water evaporates, on a moderate temperature. After that, leave the mixture to cool down and then add the lemon juice and agave nectar. Stir well, pour the mixture in the glass bottle and leave it overnight. How to consume? Consume the entire dose of the mixture, 1 tablespoon before each meal. Repeat it until your lungs get well. For children, it is recommended 1 teaspoon of this remedy, also before each meal.